Hey guys, it's Amy. Here's some videos that I have never uploaded. Don't ask me why, because I have no idea. But here's some clips from my birthday and from a nature walk I took. Hope you enjoy.
Happy birthday, dear.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Fuck you.
Happy birthday, Amy. Happy birthday. It's a little early in the video. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, girl.
Hi.
Amy. Happy birthday, Amy.
Happy birthday, Amy Washnick. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Amy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Amy.
Happy
birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Amy.
Happy birthday, Amy.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Amy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Amy. Happy birthday.
Shanks.
It's a nature walk.
So where are we going?
Cookie walk.
We have every other animal, but you cannot bring a dog in here.
White-breasted nut hatch.
Male.
Male.
Yeah, Dad, stick your hand in there.
Yeah, right. Oh, man. It's trying to bite me.
That is what does that say, Rick?
It says American woodcock. Yes, woodcock.
Woodcock. I'm not even gonna lie to you, this is pretty scary looking.
And the shark is totally gonna attack that turkey.
Ah! Dad, what are you doing? Is that really a fox? Ew. Dad, what are you doing, you freak? Stop.
You put it on your head.
Stop it.
Snake skin? Out there? Yeah, it's all snake skin.
Wait, what's over there?
What's over where?
Right here, it's snake skin. You see the size of this snake
No,
skin?
no, no,
You just saw that.
No, what'd you say?
Spider over there.
Where? Oh, God. With the python.
Yeah. That's exactly what I'm not gonna do is play with you, buddy.
Probably could push through that mesh. Chinchilla better watch out.
You wanna hang out? We'll go shopping, get a little bite of mice to eat. Yeah.
What's behind this thing?
What is it? Where is it?
Do what?
Is he in there?
Yeah.
We'll see.
This is like a beginning of a horror movie, I think, with the fog and the walk in the woods. With the
We see the graveyard
14 set out
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
walk in the woods.
Only
How
12
many will
survived.
return?
We'll be alright. We know everything that's in the woods. We'll be fine. Only deer and owls, so it'll be cool. You know, bullfrog's getting pretty smooth along his back.
Why'd you look at it?
Looks like 2 of them. I think they're mating.
if you're quiet, you may see owl poop.
We'll eat in the daytime. And as you can see, it was raised as a pet, so it really hoots at people that go by. We call it Hooter. It seems to work.
Like Hooter?
So-
Does he serve hot wings?
No, like Hooter as in like hooting like an owl. I wish he served hot. Dude,
That one's strawberry. They name it Strawberry Moonlit
this
Hike.
is why I showed it to you guys. Are you like videotaping this?
Yeah.
Are you really?
No.
Are you actually gonna watch it?
No.